Hi, I'm Alsabbagh, and I'm writing a book called Build Your Own Robot. With this book, you can approach the topic of robotics on a very hands-on way, and you get to build your own robot. Only background you need is being familiar with the Python programming language. And very early on, from the second chapter, you will be interacting with the robot's DC motors. The DC motors let the robot drive around. And then from then onwards, from chapter 3, every single chapter helps you build and end the chapter with a different robotic project. There are 9 different robotic projects covered in the book, and they range from controlling servo motors, which let you use a type of robotic arm, to interacting with the camera that's on the robot, combined with computer vision, to do face tracking, for example, and have the robot move around and follow your face. So it's a great hands-on guide for people who have no background in robotics to dive right in and get productive. And if you're interested in that, head on over to manning.com to purchase a copy of the book.